Hello, thank you friends. Thank you for your time. Here I am with a quick video on TASI. Before we move to the next part of video, here is a quick disclaimer. Please read it thoroughly. Once you agree, proceed with next part of video. Thank you. So as you know, I'm not recommending any trades over here. These videos are only for information and educational purposes. Do consult your trading advisor before placing a trade and do follow your risk management rules. Thank you. So when I had left the market, I was expecting for I was relying on 5 hourly time frame wherein we had seen a negative reversal pattern, and that negative reversal pattern was broken finally because and the reason and there are not enough reasons. The only reason, this is the negative reversal pattern that we are talking about, which was between 10,825 and 10,765. Now, while the market has taken off, it broke this negative reversal pattern, but has it broken this? No, it has not yet broken. So, negative reversal pattern has been broken, and the market has formed another negative reversal pattern on 5 hourly time frame, which is between 10,825 and 801, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. Okay. So, why market has taken off? Okay, I'll show you all the time frames. There's nothing as such, worth hiding. One thing, uh, there's nothing on 4 hourly time frame. This is just a corrective move. Okay, let's go 3 hourly time frame, and we can see that this is also just a corrective move. Nothing has happened. Nothing major has happened. Okay, on 2 hourly time frame, you have a negative reversal pattern that has been broken between 10,825 and 735. Okay, now let's see this. This is 958, and you see when market is coming from the correction, you can see that such a massive expansion in momentum has taken place, but price has just increased marginally. Whereas you may see over here, price has momentum has increased marginally between these 2 points, this point and this point. You can see price has moved significantly. So between these 2 points, which is 10,647 and this is 734, and this is, so you saw the small minor minor expansion momentum was able to produce 87 points move. Here you can see such a massive expansion in momentum, you can see, but price has not moved in equal proportion. With such a move, ideally price might have gone up by say 200 250 points, which is not happening. So, which indicates something. Okay, so now what will be of importance to me is to see whether this point is getting broken or price is forming a negative reversal pattern somewhere over here. Plus, if it may form a bearish divergence, it will be an excellent opportunity probably to watch out for, depending upon your biasness of trade. And this is the hourly time frame, and this is something classic. This is what I whenever I if I get some time to trade, this is what I'll be ideally looking forward to have. This is not even ideal. I'll show you because this. I'll go to 30 minutes. This is something which I love the most. This is something which I love the most. Okay, so you have a classic bullish divergence pattern between 10,723, 686 and 632, and then price breaks negative reversal between 746 and 721. See, in the first attempt price could not break, and there was a head bump, and then price comes down, is not able to take out the momentum. It forms another bullish divergence, which basically means what? It basically means that there is something called longevity, which is not there. You can see here momentum is already in the zone of 25 20, though market can go into the zone of 5 also, 8 also, especially on time frames like 30 minutes and all. But that is very rare. For that to happen, something significant, fundamental also should coincide with the technicals. So basically, in my view, the expansion that we have seen in prices from the lows, it was because there was no longevity. Like market, where it could have gone, it could have had it gone to probably 10 or 8. In order to go to those levels, market will need a lot of fundamental resistance. or negative news for market to for prices to fall down towards those levels. So in my view, what I would be looking forward to see is whether on this 5 hourly time frame, whether market is able to successfully, penetrate this level or not, or will it go here and somewhere here it will, start forming another say bearish divergence, and especially, this moving average line is struggling to, go beyond these levels and all. That would be, lovely place probably to review the market once again. Okay, so your shorter time frames are clearly biased towards a corrective move, and probably if some divergence is being noticed over here, you will see some strong profit taking coming tomorrow, and the reason will be pretty simple, that market is even, there are 10 days holidays starting from Friday, this Friday, that is the day after tomorrow, and market will open on 25th, which is next Sunday. So we'll have to see how it unfolds. It will be better to stay on the side, on the sidelines, depending upon someone's risk bearing capacity and all. During these 10 days I will be coming up probably quite often with the various things on crypto, because there'll be no TASI, so I'll be focusing on crypto. Even I'll try to do some live sessions. I tried doing it last week, but I was not successful because I did not know how to do this live session using YouTube and all. But in case if I get some chance, I would love to come in a live session, and we'll analyze the market right from the den. Eid Mubarak to everyone. Have a blessed time ahead for all of us. Stay happy, stay healthy, and follow your risk management rules. Do wear a mask, do wear hand gloves wherever necessary. Enjoy your time. Take care. Eid Mubarak to you and your family. Good night.